Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. In this video we'll look at the real numbers, the hidden costs, and what a seven-figure HVAC owner truly brings home. This isn't about crushing your dream, it's about making it real. The dream of building $1 million HVAC business is everywhere. We hear contractors talking about it at the supply house, we see it discussed in online forums, and it often becomes the ultimate milestone that many business owners chase. That seven-figure revenue number sounds impressive, but there is an important question that rarely gets asked. How much money does the owner actually keep? What if we told you that many owners of HVAC companies generating $1 million in annual revenue only take home around $60,000 a year? Some even earn less than their most experienced technicians. Understanding why this happens is essential if we want to build a business that creates real wealth instead of simply generating impressive sales numbers. Let's be honest, saying we own $1 million company feels like a badge of honor. It suggests that we've grown beyond being a technician with a truck and have built a legitimate business with multiple employees, service vehicles, and a full schedule of customers. In the HVAC industry, reaching $1 million in annual revenue often feels like the point where we have finally made it. The problem is that the industry celebrates revenue while rarely discussing profit. We hear about companies doing $1, $2, or even $5 million in sales, but almost no one talks about what remains after every expense has been paid. Revenue and profit are not the same thing, yet they are often confused. Large deposits from equipment replacements and daily service calls make our bank account look healthy, but that money already belongs to someone else. If we don't understand exactly where it is going, we can build $1 million business that barely pays us enough to justify all the stress and responsibility. Revenue is ultimately a vanity metric. It sounds impressive, but it tells us very little about our financial health. Profit is what actually matters. Profit pays our mortgage, supports our family, funds retirement, and gives us the freedom that motivated many of us to start our own business in the first place. To understand why so many million-dollar businesses struggle financially, we need to follow the money. Imagine our business as a bucket. $1 million in annual revenue pours into the top, but that bucket has holes everywhere. The largest hole is our cost of goods sold, commonly referred to as COGS. These are the direct costs required to complete every job we perform. Materials and equipment make up the first major expense. Every furnace, condenser, heat pump, line set, copper fitting, thermostat, and accessory comes directly out of our revenue. For many residential replacement companies, these material costs alone consume between 30% and 40% of every dollar we bring in. The second major expense is field labor. This includes technician wages, payroll taxes, workers' compensation, and employee benefits. Depending on our business model, labor often accounts for another 20% to 25% of revenue. Combined, our cost of goods sold typically consumes between 50% and 60% of total sales. On a business generating $1 million in annual revenue, that means approximately $600,000 disappears before we even begin paying the bills required to operate the company. What remains is our gross profit. In this example, we would have about $400,000 remaining. At first glance, that seems like an excellent income, but we have not yet accounted for the largest hidden expense of running an HVAC company: overhead. Overhead includes every expense required to keep our business operating that is not directly tied to a specific installation or service call. These costs exist whether the phone rings or not, and they have a significant impact on profitability. Marketing is often one of the largest investments. To consistently generate $1 million in annual revenue, healthy HVAC companies frequently spend between 8% and 12% of sales on advertising and lead generation. Using a conservative estimate of 8%, that's approximately $80,000 every year dedicated to Google Ads, local SEO, direct mail campaigns, online lead services, and other marketing efforts. Vehicle expenses quickly become another major cost. Once we have several service trucks on the road, we must account for vehicle payments, fuel, insurance, maintenance, repairs, registration, and replacement costs. Operating 3 service vehicles can easily cost between $30,000 and $40,000 annually. Administrative expenses continue to add up. We need someone answering phones, scheduling appointments, and supporting customers, which may require paying a dispatcher or customer service representative between $40,000 and $50,000 annually before benefits. If we lease a small office or warehouse, rent, utilities, internet, and phone services can easily exceed $20,000 each year. software subscriptions for dispatching, accounting, customer relationship management, and estimating systems often total another $5,000 to $15,000 annually. Insurance, including general liability, commercial auto, and workers' compensation, can easily exceed $30,000 every year. Beyond these are countless miscellaneous expenses such as uniforms, tools, office supplies, accounting fees, legal services, licensing, and training, which can add another $20,000 or more. When we total these operating expenses, overhead can easily reach approximately $250,000 annually for a typical $1 million HVAC company. Now the numbers become much more realistic. Starting with $1 million in revenue, subtracting roughly $600,000 in cost of goods sold leaves $400,000 in gross profit. After deducting approximately $250,000 in overhead expenses, we are left with about $150,000 in net profit. This is the actual profit generated by the business before taxes and before deciding how much money should remain in the company for future growth. If we have been paying ourselves a reasonable salary, perhaps around $60,000, that salary is already included as an operating expense. In that situation, our total personal compensation could approach $210,000 before personal income taxes if we also distribute the remaining profits. That represents an excellent living, but it is very different from the common assumption that a $1 million business automatically makes its owner wealthy. The reality is even more challenging for businesses operating below healthy profit margins. Industry data shows that many small residential HVAC companies earn net profit margins in the range of only 5% to 6%. On $1 million in annual revenue, that equals only $50,000 to $60,000 in annual profit. If we have not been paying ourselves a salary throughout the year, that profit may represent our entire income. In some cases, we could earn more working as a senior technician for another company without carrying the stress, financial risk, and responsibility of ownership. This is why understanding pricing is one of the most important skills any HVAC business owner can develop. If we don't know our exact costs and we aren't pricing every job to achieve a healthy profit margin, we may work harder every year while earning less. Every estimate should account for direct costs, overhead, and the profit required to sustain the business long term. Otherwise, increasing revenue simply means increasing the amount of money flowing through an inefficient system. The goal should never be to chase revenue for its own sake. Instead, we should focus on building a business that consistently generates strong, predictable net profit. That begins by knowing our financial numbers inside and out. We should review a clean profit and loss statement every month and understand exactly where every dollar is going. If financial reports are confusing, working with a qualified bookkeeper or accountant who specializes in the trades can make an enormous difference. Successful business owners manage their numbers instead of guessing. Another powerful strategy is building recurring revenue through maintenance agreements. Maintenance plans provide steady cash flow throughout the year, reduce seasonal fluctuations, and create opportunities to serve existing customers rather than constantly paying to acquire new ones. These agreements often produce higher profit margins while lowering overall marketing costs, making them one of the strongest long-term assets an HVAC company can develop. Equally important is understanding which services generate the highest profits. Not every dollar of revenue is created equally. A routine repair, a complete system replacement, and an indoor air quality upgrade all produce different margins. The most successful contractors understand these differences and train their teams to recommend the solutions that create the greatest value for both the customer and the business. A well-designed flat-rate pricing system built around actual operating costs helps eliminate guesswork and ensures every completed job contributes to long-term profitability. Finally, every growing HVAC business eventually reaches a point where the owner must step out of the truck. This is often the most difficult transition because many owners built their reputation through technical skill. However, as long as we remain the primary technician or installer, our company's growth will always be limited by our own available time. Hiring capable technicians and dependable office staff allows us to focus on leadership, marketing, financial management, hiring, and building systems that allow the business to operate successfully without depending entirely on us. Ultimately, the dream of owning an HVAC company should never be centered around reaching a certain revenue number. The real objective is creating freedom. Financial freedom allows us to support our families, invest in our future, and enjoy the rewards of our hard work. Operational freedom means taking time away without the business coming to a complete stop. Personal freedom comes from building a company with reliable systems, strong employees, and healthy profit margins rather than working 80-hour weeks simply to keep everything running. Earning a personal income of $1 million from a single-location HVAC company is exceptionally uncommon. However, building a business that generates $1 million in annual revenue while providing a comfortable six-figure income is absolutely achievable. The key is shifting our focus away from gross sales and toward net profit. By understanding our numbers, pricing correctly, building recurring revenue, and creating systems that allow the business to grow beyond our own labor, we position ourselves for lasting success. The purpose of understanding these numbers is not to discourage us, but to give us clarity. Once we recognize how revenue turns into profit, we can make smarter decisions, avoid common financial mistakes, and build an HVAC business on a foundation of reality instead of unrealistic expectations. That is what creates sustainable success over the long term. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other HVAC professionals looking to grow their business. We'll see you in the next video.